Hello everyone, myself Nivedita Bose from Easy Electrical, your JS faculty for Rapid Revision series. Today is 25th of October 2021. Today we will deal with the subject Indian Polity and Economy. Before that, I would like to give you a brief introduction about our paid course SSC JEE 2021, which includes concept-based classes and on technical and non-technical portion, practice problems, non-quiz tests, and notes. What we specialize in is that we provide classroom recordings free for lifetime, which is otherwise chargeable in other institutions. Now coming to today's topic. The first question is from Polity. Which Union territory has the highest high court of its own? Puducherry, Lakshadweep, Delhi, Chandigarh. Here the correct answer goes to Delhi. Next, under whose prime ministerships was the right to property removed from the list of fundamental rights? Indira Gandhi, Lal Bahadur Shastri, Morarji Desai, Rajiv Gandhi. Here the correct answer is Morarji Desai. Which of the following is the largest Lok Sabha constituency of India in terms of area? Arunachal West, Ladakh, Burma, Kutch. Here the answer goes to Ladakh. The next question is, who is the guardian of the fundamental rights of the citizen of India? Parliament, Judiciary, Executive and President. Here the correct answer is Parliament. Which of the following is not a part of the Indian Executive? The President, the Vice President, the Attorney General of India, the Chief Justice of India. Here the correct answer is the Chief Justice of India. Now coming to the economic part. Which of the following organization is not joined by India? APEC, second is ASEAN, option C NAFTA, option D all of the above. Here the correct option goes to all of the above. The next question is COPRA. COPRA is a option A domestic trade protection reserve, option B mega city scheme, option C consumer protection act, option D credit rationing scheme. Here the correct answer goes to Consumer Protection Act. What is the full form of FEMA? APMA. It is, you must know that the answer, it is Foreign Exchange Management Act. That is option A. What is the mean of population density? That is number of persons in a village, ratio of population living in a rural and urban areas, number of persons living per square kilometer, number of persons living in per kilometer. It is obvious that number of persons living per square kilometer is also known as population density. Which of the following is the direct tax in India? Sales tax, VAT, wealth tax, and goods and services tax. Here the correct answer goes to wealth tax. So this is for today. Thank you everyone for staying up to this point. If you have any doubts, you can message us at 8335067725 or mail us at electricaleasy@gmail.com. Thank you.